Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the variable aperture camera on the HUAWEI Nova 14 Pro. So on the HUAWEI Nova 14 Pro, you have different apertures on the phone, which allows the camera to make some of the blur behind the photos that you usually see. And to actually use this feature, the first thing we're going to do is open up the camera app, and then we're going to scroll to the right to the More tab and then tap on Aperture. So this is the aperture mode, and you have this button on the right, which if you tap on it, it's going to allow you to change different apertures. So you have virtual aperture, which is pretty much like digital zoom but for aperture. It just kind of adjusts by using a computer inside your phone and not like a physical lens that's actually on your phone. And then you have the physical aperture option, which uses different apertures that your lenses actually provide on the phone. So these cameras right here. And it uses some of that variable aperture. And I have a few photos taken to show you actually the difference between the photos. So this is the blurriest one is the 1.4 option. So if you kind of point it at anything else, it's going to be the blurriest option. So then the next one is going to be the 2 variable, so f2. The third one is the 2.8 option, and then the first one is the 4 option. So this is the least blurry photo that's available. So if we zoom in, as you can see, there isn't really any blur in the background. This is the f4. f2.8, there's a little more blur, but right here, as you can see. And then f2, a lot more blurrier. You can see the edges of the leaves are starting to blur. And then the blurriest one, as you can see, it's blurred to the max. It makes the background as blurry as possible while keeping the foreground as clear as possible. As you can see, these are the differences. So pick the mode that you feel like is going to look the best visually and just take the photo. And that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.